Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 9. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. Now we are going to solve this math problem by applying two methods. Let's start with method 1. So we can let square root of x plus 7 be equal to a, and we have square root of x subtract 2 b equal to b. So we have that a plus b, this is equal to 9. This is the first equation that we have. Now we have that the square root of x plus 7, this is equal to a. Now if we square on both sides from here, this means that we have x plus 7, this is equal to a to the power of 2. Similarly, if we have square root of x minus 2, this is equal to b. So let's square both sides so that we can eliminate the square root side. And this implies that we have b is equal to x minus 2. Now, the next step is that we have a squared minus b squared. This is the difference of two perfect squares that we can express as a plus b multiplied by a subtract b. So in this case, we have a squared minus b squared. This is equal to, now this is x plus 7 minus x minus 2. So this is to mean that a squared minus b squared, this is equal to x plus 7 minus x minus times minus 2, this is plus 2. So this is to mean that a squared minus b squared, which is a plus b, multiplied by a subtract b, this is equal to x minus x, this simplifies, then 7 plus 2, this is equal to 9. So we have that a plus b times a minus b, this is equal to 9. Now we have that a plus b times a minus b, this is equal to 9. And since we have equation 1 is a plus b, which is equal to 9, let's substitute a. So this is 9 times a subtract b, this is equal to 9. So let's divide both sides by 9, and this implies that a subtract b, this is equal to 9 divided by 9, and this is equal to 1. Now since we have equation 1 is a plus b is equal to 9, this means we have a plus b, this is equal to 9, and we have that a minus b is equal to 1, a subtract b, this is equal to 1. Now these are systems of two linear equations, so let's sum these two systems of linear equations. A plus a, this is 2a, plus b plus minus b, this simplifies, then we have 9 plus 1, this is equal to 10. So let's divide both sides by 2, and this implies that a is equal to 10 divided by 2, and this is equal to 5. So this is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Now, if you recall, we assume that we let square root of x plus 7 be equal to a. So we can substitute a, which is 5, so that we have the square root of x plus 7, this is equal to 5. So again, let's square on both sides from here, and this means that let's eliminate this square root sign so that x plus 7, this is equal to 5 squared, which is 25. Now let's take plus 7 on the right hand side. This means that x is equal to 25 subtract 7, and this means that x is equal to 18. We have the value of x equal to 18. Now this is by applying method 1. So let's proceed to method 2 from here. Now in method 2, we have the square root of x plus 7. Then we have plus square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 9. Now let's take the square root of x minus 2 on the right hand side. So this means we have square root of x plus 7. This is equal to 9 minus square root of x subtract 2. So the next step is to square on both sides. Let's square on both sides from here, so that now we eliminate the square root sign here, so that we have x plus 7. This is equal to, this is 9 minus square root of x subtract 2. Everything here raised to the power of 2. 9 minus square root of x minus 2 to the power of 2. This is in the form of a subtract b raised to the power of 2, which you can express as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Applying this algebraic identity, this implies that x plus 7, this is equal to 9 squared, which is equal to 81, then plus square root of x subtract 2 raised to the power of 2. Then we have minus 2 times 9 times square root of x subtract 2. Now, the next step from here, we have x plus 7. This is equal to 81. Then let's eliminate the square root sign here. So this is plus x subtract 2. Then this is minus 2 times 9. This is 18. Square root of x subtract 2. Now, from here, we can eliminate this x here. X and x here simplifies, so that now this is 7. This is equal to 81 minus 2. This is equal to 79 minus 18 square root of x subtract 2. So let's take 79 on the left hand side. So this becomes 7 minus 79. This is equal to negative 18 square root of x subtract 2. So 7 minus 79, this is negative 72. This is equal to negative 18 square root of x minus 2. Now let's divide both sides by negative 18. Negative 18, so that now negative 72 divided by negative 18, this is equal to 4, and this is equal to the square root of x minus 2. So the next step is to square on both sides from here, so that 4 squared, this is equal to 16, and this is equal to x minus 2. To solve for x here, let's take minus 2 on the left hand side. So this is 16 plus 2. This is equal to x. So this is to mean that x is equal to 16 plus 2, and this is equal to 18. So the value of x, by applying method 2, this is equal to 18. The value of x is equal to 18. So both methods